Shia and Sunni Muslims differ significantly in their understanding of religious and political authority following the death of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH. These differences are rooted in distinct beliefs about succession and leadership. Sunni believe succession by consensus. Sunnis believe that the Prophet's successor should be chosen through community consensus rather than divine appointment. Role of the Caliphs. The successors, known as Caliphs, are viewed as political leaders only, not as bearers of divine authority. Religious authority. Legitimate religious authority lies collectively with Sunni scholars and clerics, referred to as ulama, muftis, and faqih. Separation of roles. Sunnis follow Caliphs for political matters and rely on religious scholars for spiritual and theological guidance. Divine appointment. Shia Muslims believe that Prophet Muhammad, by divine command, appointed his cousin and son-in-law, Ali, as his successor. Religious and political authority. Shia doctrine holds that successors, called Imams, are divinely chosen, inheriting both religious and political authority as representatives of God. Bloodline succession. Imams must be direct descendants of Prophet Muhammad through Ali and Fatima, his daughter. Infallibility. Imams are considered infallible in religious matters, providing the ultimate guidance on spiritual truths, rituals, and beliefs. Historical and cultural divergence. These foundational differences have led to distinct traditions in law, theology, philosophy, and spiritual practices between Sunni and Shia communities. Historically, Sunnis often held political dominance, while Shias were frequently minorities facing persecution. Internal divisions. Both Sunni and Shia communities have further subdivisions, adding complexity to their religious and cultural practices. This division continues to shape the diverse landscape of Islamic belief and practice worldwide.